Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit your vlog aesthetically in CapCut. So first, you just need to import 15 to 20 clips to CapCut and adjust the durations of the clips to 0.5 to 1 seconds like this. Then go to adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -5, contrast -10, then increase the sharpen of the video into 50, and now you can just click on a check icon and set the adjustment for all of the clips like this. And after that, you are done, and you can just export the video with 1080p resolution and also 30 frame rates. Now just click on export. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.